This morning we're at the Fairfax County Government Center for the annual vendor forum for the Fairfax County Small Business Commission. It's an opportunity for small businesses to learn how they can do business with Fairfax County, as well as just learn general skills for building up their businesses.
Fairfax County is fiercely pro-business. You know, that is our culture. And
we have a few different panels to help small businesses grow and succeed. I think one of the most valuable aspects of this is the reverse trade show, where they get the opportunity to meet with representatives from different agencies within Fairfax County government, learn about what the needs are of those agencies and how they may be able to do business with them, procure contracts and those sorts of things that really can help them build their business.
Virginia continues to be recognized as the best state for doing business, and this Northern Virginia corridor and the Fairfax County businesses really are leading that charge.
Fairfax County is very business friendly. We get it here in the county. We feel it's important for Fairfax County because it's a resource for would-be businesses and businesses who are actually here in the county and seek to, increase their business. So we're very pro-business, and the community in turn will hopefully support the local small businesses.
Well, small business is the growth engine of our economy. I mean, a huge percentage of the new jobs that are created by small businesses. I think we are in a unique area where so many people do business with the federal government, but they may not be aware that there's opportunities to do business with their local government as well.